Hello everyone, today we will be solving one LeetCode problem number 11, container with most water. The problem statement says, you are given an integer array height of length n. There are n vertical lines drawn such that the two endpoints of the ith line are I, 0 and I, height I. Find the two lines that together with the x-axis form a container such that the container contains the most water. Return the maximum amount of water a container can store. Notice that you cannot slant the container, means you cannot slant it. So let's deep dive into the problem. The problem says this is the height of a container. So this is one height and this is another, so that's the height of container. Now if you want to solve this problem, like you can use our brute force approach, like you can run two loop for I into I, 0 to height, and another child loop, and like for each height you can find the like water, and then like you can store in the maximum water. So this is our brute force approach, and the time complexity will be n square for this one. So let's discuss about the optimal approach here. If you have a look at this problem, like we can use here two pointers for solving this problem. So our first pointer will be, left pointer will point to array of 0 and right pointer will point array of ending 1, length minus 1 actually. Now all you have to do, you have to take three variable. One is left pointer is equal to 0, another one is right pointer is equal to the last one, which one will be size minus 1, and another variable called max water or max width, like mw, which will be 0. Now at first we can say our max width will be this height, and means length will be, so length will be right pointer minus left pointer, and our height will be the minimum height between two pointer. Why? Because if we take height of the maximum one, and it cannot like store water, right? The stored water will be like this. So the height should be our minimum one. So minimum of array of left or array of right. So in that case, our height will be this one, left pointer 0. So the here our max width will be max width and length minus length into height. So answer will be length is like right pointer is 9, 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 into height is 1. So at first our max water will be 1, and if we iterate, then all we have to do, we have to, like, if our left pointer is the smaller one, means if array of left is smaller than array of right, we have to plus our left, or if the right is smaller, we have to minus our right. Why? Because, like, if our left pointer is the smaller one, and if we plus our left pointer, then our next left pointer will be this one, and this one will be bigger one. And if we get the bigger value, we can contain more water. For example, if we minus our right pointer, we'll get a small height, right? And small height will contain the less water, obviously. So that's why all we have to do, we have to look for the higher value. Now let's convert this like theory into the code. So let's take our variables max water. So we'll initialize with 0. Left pointer will be 0, and right pointer will be height size minus 1, and we have to implement one while loop here. While left pointer is less than right pointer, all we have to do, we have to find our current width. So the current width is equal to left pointer minus, right pointer minus left pointer, and our minimum height will be minimum of height of left pointer and height of right pointers. So we have to find our current width and our minimum height, and our current width here will be current width into minimum height, and all we have to find out, we have to find out our maximum width. So our stored maximum width, so it will be maximum width will be maximum of current width and maximum width. And each time if our height of left pointer is less than height of right pointer, we have all I have to do, we have to plus our left pointer, or we have to minus our right pointer, and at the end we have to return our max width. Let's run our code. Sorry, okay. Oh, so it will be kind width, kind width. Okay, so here our current water will be current to it. So here our current water. Both of us same, right? And that's how we can solve the problem. Let's submit our code.